I used to stay up all night trying to find my place, chasing neon lights and looking for some kind of trace to lead me out of darkness. Give me a little faith, something to make me stronger, someone who could light the way. Then you came to me and you gave me reason. I almost can't believe it. Every time we touch, I feel at home. There's no way I'd ever let you go. When you put your hands in mine, I know we're gonna be alright. I don't know what you do to me, but I feel like I am way up in the sky. When you put your hands in mine, I know we're gonna be alright. 'Cause when we touch is when I really come alive. When we touch is when I really come alive. Yeah.
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Chelle's Glam Home. Well, today I'm excited to share a Tkmaxx Australia Easter Decor haul. I hope you enjoy. Now guys, before I get into the haul from Tkmaxx, I also wanted to share with you my beautiful new purchase for my home office. I got this beautiful chandelier canvas, guys, from the store here in Australia called Home Sweet Home. This chandelier canvas is absolutely stunning in person. It is so lifelike, and I knew it'd make the perfect addition in my home office. Now, I always get asked the question, guys, where is my cute eyelash cushion from? Now, it's from a store called My Lash Design. Now, I found them on Instagram and I'll leave them linked for you down below. I also get asked the question about my beautiful wallpaper. Unfortunately, this is a print that is no longer made. However, I do recommend you go to Google and type in Damask Print by York. They have a lot of similar designs there. Now, you know your girl Chelle absolutely loves chandeliers. I have quite a few of them throughout my home, guys, and I just think they're so sparkly and glam. So when I seen this particular canvas, I knew it was the perfect colour to go in my home office. And now we're going to jump right into the Tkmaxx haul. And guys, I certainly did have some fun shopping there that day. There were so many beautiful items to choose from. I had a few gift vouchers that were gifted to me for Christmas, so I definitely used them in store. I'm going to start with their Easter decor. Tkmaxx at the moment is filled to the brim with beautiful Easter decor, and it is so much fun shopping in there at this time. The first item I got was this adorable little blue truck. How cute is it? There's something about these little trucks, guys, they always steal my heart. Now, this next item was a little pricey, but it definitely had me at hello. I was so in love with this beautiful giant candle holder. Now, guys, this thing in person is absolutely stunning. It is so heavy, but it is really making a glam statement on my coffee table, and I love it so, so much. Now, you know your girl Chelle absolutely loves blush pink as well, and I couldn't walk away from this adorable little Easter sign. Now, you know, I certainly do not need another cushion, but of course they drew me in once again. Tkmaxx have the cutest Easter cushions out at the moment, and I absolutely love this one. I love how it was very neutral. Now they also had a little bit of Valentine's Day decor left, and I loved this beautiful gold glitter love sign. They also had a lot of initials, and I was lucky enough to find my initial as well. Now you know I've been loving that beautiful French blue colour at the moment, guys, so I was in love with this adorable little bunny. They also had these adorable little love heart candles. And I also picked up this Valentine's Day inspired candle as well, and it is so beautifully scented, guys. This is probably one of my favourite candles of all time. And I'm always in love with the most beautiful mugs that Tkmaxx brings out, and I particularly love this beautiful blush pink one. I also picked up this really pretty blush pink kitchen mitt set. Now it comes with 2 kitchen oven mitts as well as a dish towel, and I thought this was so adorable. I also picked up this cute little Some Bunny Loves You sign. Now I love decorating with blush pink and gold, and thought this little sign was just perfect. I also came across this beautiful bloom pot stand by Rae Dunn. I thought it was just adorable. Now my next item is definitely something that just had my name on it. Does this not scream Chelle? I walked into the store, I spotted this item and I went, there is no way I could walk out of this shop without this thing. How adorable is this, guys? This is actually a medicine cabinet and it totally stole my heart. It was in blush pink, my favourite colour of all, and it had the adorable little eyelashes, and I knew it would make the perfect addition in my home. I also picked up the prettiest fake flowers, guys. Tkmaxx have the most stunning flowers out at the moment, and I decided to grab these in a grouping of 3 because I love sharing ideas where I group 3 lots of things together. Tkmaxx have the cutest pet decor at the moment, guys. I fell in love with these beautiful ceramic pet bowl set. They are leopard print with pink inside, and I thought they'd make the perfect gift for my sweet little Shih Tzu, Bella. I also picked up this really sweet, pretty blue cushion. Now you know I've been loving that pale blue colour at the moment, and I love blue gingham as well, and I thought this one was just adorable. Now my final item is this beautiful baby blue egg wreath. Now this is quite large, guys, and I've hung it on my arch mirror as you enter my home, and it makes such a beautiful statement. Now I've took the tag off, but from memory I think this one was $29.99. So guys, leave me a comment down below, what was your favourite item? So thank you so much for watching, guys. I truly hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed my Tkmaxx Australia haul. Now guys, be sure to tap your notification bells for me because I have the coolest blush pink DIY coming your way. Now, it's not completely finished yet, but I plan on having that video up for you this Sunday. So be sure to tap your notification bells, because if you love blush pink, and I gave you a little hint last time that I am doing some DIYs out of that London in Bloom book. So if you would like to see that DIY come to life, be sure to tap your notification bells, because I'll be uploading that Sunday morning. So until next time, my friends, I thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.